Hello everyone. So in this session we will discuss about classes and objects. Okay. So classes and objects are the very important part of the Python. Okay. Now what is the means of classes and object here? Basically classes and objects are the part of OOPS. Okay, that is known as OOPS means object oriented programming. Okay. This is known as OOP, basically OOPS. Okay, so inside OOPS we have like many concepts. We have classes, we have objects, we have encapsulation, we have polymorphism, we have inheritance, etc. So first we have to understand what are objects and classes. So basically, class. So class is like a blueprint which is followed by your object. So we can mention here class is a blueprint which is followed by object. Okay. So classes is like a structure and it is a blueprint which is followed by your object. Secondly, we can put it is a logical type structure with behavior. Okay, with behavior. That is known as classes. And what are objects here? So basically objects are like the instance of class. Instance of class. Okay. So classes is like blueprint. Okay, suppose we have there's a syntax of classes and objects. So here we have a syntax. Suppose we have to mention class and then name of a class. Name of a class can be anything. So let's say the class name is my fun. Okay, let's say or my num. Okay, and then colon space tab. Press tab. Okay, this is known as indentation. Okay, then we have to provide inside class functions are known as methods and variables are known as variables only. Okay, let's define a function inside class that is def and function name fun. Okay, then okay, so this is a simple class. Inside class we have a function that is def fun and the name of your and the purpose of this function is to print hello world. Okay, then this class is useless until you store it inside an object or until you make an object of out of this class. So we have to create an object here. Object equal, let's say the name of a class that is my num. Okay, so here we are storing my class inside an object. Basically, object is a variable here, the simple variable, but it is known as a object here. Okay, this is object here and my num where storing my num is a class inside object. Now obj is an object here. Okay, and then we have to print or we can use object dot my num. Okay, or fun, sorry, fun, like this. So now we can call a function. So inside class functions are known as methods. Okay, so functions, they are known as methods. So we can put here, it is a method here. Basically, it is a function, but inside class, it is known as methods. Okay, so we are storing this inside our object, obj is object here, and then they're printing it. Okay, so copy this. We will run this inside VS Code. Okay, save it. Sorry, we have to put parentheses, I forget to put. And then we have to put self here. Okay, why we put self, that we will see. Okay, so run this. Hello world. Okay, so here my num is a class name of your class. Def is a function. Basically, it is known as a method inside your class. Then we have object. So we are storing my class inside of object, and then we are calling the function. Okay, now this whole class is represented by this object. Okay, like obj variable. So this is your object here. Okay, now we can call your function the name of your object. Okay, that is hello world. Okay. So this is known as classes and objects. Thank you.